Today we're going to work on teaching Magnolia how to, or we're at least going to get her started on loping nice circles. Show you guys something that Herm Sherwin, the guy, he's a reining horse trainer, he taught me quite a bit. I used to start colts for him, and he taught me quite a bit about the reining maneuvers. I'm not big on the reining maneuvers really, but I've got to lope these horses a lot, and some of these horses will go off and do some ranch horse showing and whatnot, and so they really need to know how to lope good circles. It is not fun. You guys may know it's no fun at all to lope circles on a horse that doesn't know how to lope. If they're just worried about the gait or worried about other horses or won't pick up their shoulders, you know, or they're ducking to the inside and dropping their shoulders or whatever, it's just no fun. So I'm going to show you kind of a trick to getting this done, and this is a long game thing. You're not going to teach a horse to lope nice, pretty circles in a day, but I'll show you how to get started, okay? So, and some folks call this the stop sign method or whatever, and the reason is because what you do is we're going to lope a series of straight lines, right? We won't try to lope a circle. We're just going to lope a series of straight lines, and we're going to use a stop sign shape, that octagon, I think that's an octagon shape, as a rough guide. But I'm here to tell you, mine never looked like stop sign. Mine looked like just a crazy, you know, whatever, trapezoid or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I'm no geologist, but you know, the math stuff wasn't my strong suit. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start off by walking around, and I've already kind of trotted Magnolia around a little bit and stuff, and sort of got her ready, mentally prepared to start working. But I'm just going to ask, I'm not going to go, we're headed towards the gate going this direction, right? So I'm going to start, I don't want to start loping towards the gate. Excuse me, I want to get to where I'm at least at an angle away from the gate, and then I'm just going to ask for the left lead, right? Now when I went to pick up on her right there, she kind of rooted against my hands, so I'm just going to hold that for a second, and then I'll ask for the left lead. I'm going to go in a straight line, and then I'm going to try to pick her shoulders up and move her over, and just continue to go in straight lines. I'm not so much guiding her nose, right? I don't want to try to guide her nose to the left in the beginning, because I'm going to use my outside leg, right? And I'm not going to bend my horse. She's fairly early on in the training deal. She's 2-year-old. So I hate to bend my horse. You guys probably know. I don't want to bend my horse and then use my outside leg and distract them with it. So I want to kind of keep her straight. We're just going to go straight lines. And so I'm just going to use my hands and my right leg to go in these straight lines, to pick her shoulders up and move her over. And she feels nice and light. Boy, she feels good right now.